All right. This practice problem, let's go ahead and before we read it, just number it. This is 1, 2, 2, 1. 1, 2, 2, 1. All the ones are equal to each other. All the twos are equal to each other. They gave us angle 1. They gave us angle 2. They gave us angle 3. That's kind of hard to read. 10n minus 20. 4n minus 10. So 3 different angles they gave us. So that means we have options. We get to pick the equation this time. There's multiple entry points. I'm looking for the congruent ones. So this is a 1. I'm looking for another 1, and it's there. So you could write this equation, and you would be right. But if you chose a 1 and a 2, you'd have to add them together and make it equal to 180. Or you could have chosen this 1 and this 2. And I think these are the only 3 options. So you had to have one of these 3 in order to get this one right. The next question says, were there multiple entry points? Yes. I was given 3 angles. So there are multiple ways to start, or multiple entry points. Move on to the next one and check your work.